In this video, I will show you how to verify a Worldcoin account without ORB. Start by going to the official Worldcoin website. Ensure that you are on a legitimate and secure website to avoid phishing attempts. If you don't already have a Worldcoin account, you will need to sign up. This typically involves providing your email address, creating a password, and agreeing to the terms and conditions. Once you have logged in to your Worldcoin account, look for the verification section. This is usually found in the account settings or profile options. Within the verification section, there should be options for different verification methods. Look for alternatives to the ORB verification method. This could include methods such as uploading identity documents or using biometric verification through a webcam. Whichever alternative verification method you choose, follow the on-screen instructions carefully. This may involve taking clear photos of your identity documents or following specific steps for biometric verification. After completing the necessary steps, submit your verification information for review. Worldcoin's verification process may take some time, as they need to verify the authenticity of the information provided. Once you have submitted your verification details, wait for Worldcoin to review and approve your wallet. You may receive a notification or email once your account has been successfully verified. Once your account is verified, you should have access to additional features and functionalities on the Worldcoin platform that are reserved for verified users. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.